Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to change desktop wallpaper and laptop. Okay guys, here I have opened my laptop and my laptop is using Windows 11. So this tutorial is especially for the Windows 11 users. Okay, first of all, we can tap on this Windows icon. Then we're going to open the settings, this one. Tap on the settings option, and on the settings option, we have to select the personalization. Okay, and here you can change your wallpaper. You can tap on the background option, and then you're going to select a photo or image for your wallpaper. You can choose a photo right here if you want to select a photo from your device to be your wallpaper. And this is my recent images that I have applied to my desktop wallpaper, and I'm going to choose a photo from my device, so we can tap on browse photos. Okay, and for example, I'm going to select this photo, tap on the photo or the image, then click on choose picture. Okay, and after that, the wallpaper has been changed now, and we can just go back to check it. Okay, as you can see, this is my new wallpaper. Alright guys, and that's how we can change desktop wallpaper and laptop. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.